Hey guys, we're going to do a review on a coat rack that we got off of Amazon. It's made by Gorgenius, is their name brand. And it's made out of this beautiful, well I can't say beautiful. It's really nice bamboo. So we'll get it open and then check it out. Yeah, so this is the material that it's made out of. And it comes with the pre-drilled holes for it all to be set up on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So with it, you get a set of nifty tools here. The hole has two holes that actually line up together. And then goes on like that. So now you have one. Okay, so I'm gonna hang these up in my daughter's bedroom here on the wall, and yeah, we'll see how it looks when it's done. All in all, I think they look great and they got set up fairly nice. Now, my 2-year-old can grab their jacket or sweater. And my older daughter has a place for her things.